Join me as I dive into the future and see if AI really can take over cybersecurity by 2025. The concept of AI in cybersecurity is no longer a distant dream, but a rapidly unfolding reality that's set to revolutionize the industry by 2025. As we stand at the threshold of this new era, it's essential to understand the transformative potential of AI in combating cyber threats. Cyber attacks are becoming increasingly frequent and sophisticated, with hackers employing cutting-edge tactics to evade detection. In 2020 alone, we saw a staggering 64% increase in ransomware attacks, resulting in devastating consequences for individuals and organizations alike. The alarming truth is that traditional cybersecurity measures are no match for these advanced threats, and it's clear that a new approach is desperately needed. As the cyber threat landscape continues to evolve, the security community is being forced to think outside the box and explore innovative solutions. The burning question on everyone's mind is, can AI be the game changer we so desperately need? The answer, unequivocally, is yes. By 2025, AI is poised to take center stage in the battle against cybercrime, and the implications are enormous. As we move further into the digital age, the sheer volume of data being generated is reaching unprecedented levels. This data explosion has created a nightmare scenario for security teams who are struggling to keep pace with the sheer scale of potential threats. This is precisely where AI comes in. By leveraging machine learning algorithms and advanced analytics, AI-powered systems can process vast amounts of data in real time, detecting anomalies and identifying patterns that would be impossible for humans to spot. The result is a level of precision and speed that's unmatched by traditional security solutions. Whether it's identifying phishing emails, detecting malware, or predicting system vulnerabilities, AI is about to become the ultimate cybersecurity sidekick. From advanced threat detection to incident response, AI is already being integrated into various aspects of cybersecurity. For instance, AI-powered tools like Deep Instinct are using deep learning to detect and prevent even the most sophisticated attacks. Similarly, companies like Darktrace are employing AI-driven anomaly detection to identify threats in real time. These cutting-edge solutions are not only reducing the risk of cyber attacks, but also providing a level of visibility and control that was previously unimaginable. As we move forward, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI in cybersecurity, each one pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But what about the elephant in the room? The fear that AI might ultimately be used against us. It's a valid concern, and one that the security community is taking very seriously. After all, as AI becomes more pervasive in cybersecurity, the risk of AI-powered attacks increases exponentially. This is precisely why researchers are working tirelessly to develop AI systems that can detect and mitigate AI-driven threats. It's a cat and mouse game where the stakes are higher than ever before. One pivotal moment that changed the landscape dramatically was the development of AI-powered security orchestration. This groundbreaking technology enables AI systems to automatically respond to threats in real time streamlining incident response, and dramatically reducing the risk of human error. The implications are enormous. With AI-powered security orchestration, we can finally respond to cyber threats at the speed and scale required to stay ahead of the bad guys. In conclusion, the future of cybersecurity is undoubtedly AI-powered. As we hurtle towards 2025, it's clear that AI will play an increasingly critical role in combating cyber threats. From advanced threat detection to incident response, AI is about to revolutionize the industry in ways we never thought possible. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on AI in cybersecurity in the comments below. Be sure to check out my other videos for more insights on this rapidly evolving landscape.